How you doing? My name is Tom Wellman, physical therapist from Apex Orthopedic Rehabilitation. We are going to talk about a few great stretches you can do with the foam roller to improve thoracic mobility. Okay, so stay tuned at the end. So thoracic mobility, that's something that we really, if we can identify and work on, can really improve several things. One of the reasons is thoracic mobility is typically lost a lot of times with people because of our lifestyle. We tend to do a lot of things in a forward position, especially our phones and our tablets and things like that. We tend to kind of lean forward. A lot of our day is in a forward position. We don't have a lot of times that we're reaching up and lifting up and kind of keeping that more upright position. So what tends to happen in the thoracic spine is we tend to kind of lean forward. And that's this region right here. This is the cervical spine, thoracic, and lumbar. So in this position right here, we tend to kind of slump and lose that position. The stretches we're going to talk about are going to improve the ability for the thoracic to kind of go more upright and also work on rotation. In fact, we're going to work on both what they call extension, which is coming backwards, and also a little rotational component, okay? Both of those stretches will help kind of elevate and kind of improve your posture. People that have some trouble maybe in some overhead lifts, different things as far as even doing some neck stretches, because you're so forward, it makes these stretches very hard to do. Okay, so improving of thoracic mobility is probably a missing link for a lot of things. So let's kind of work on that, and we're going to show you a few just using a foam roller. Very simple, you can do at home. Here, the first one we're going to use is we're going to combine a prayer stretch with doing kind of an overhead, emphasizing the thoracic part. So we're going to take our hands. This is the width of our shoulders. We're going to go a little wider. Also, we want our knees a little wider than our hips, okay? I like this with a foam roller because you can gradually increase the pressure as you roll forward. So the whole idea is that we're going to do both hands all the way up. We're going to bring our head forward and chest forward, letting the chest drop forward like this. Hold for 1 or 2 seconds. 1, 2. And then roll back. It's a nice gradual one. As you roll out, get to a good point where you have a good stretch and let your chest go through. So your arms are coming back. When this stops, all the motion occurs from the upper back. So you can do this for 5 or 10 times, hold 1 or 2 seconds. You can obviously do it more or less. You can also increase the hold times. You can hold it for 5 or 10 seconds. Once in a while, I'll combine a little breath in through my nose. Breathe out. Just get a little thoracic expansion, and we increase our lungs. It basically does a gentle stretch to the ribs. So let's do that again. So all the way forward, kind of thumbs up. All the way down, breathe in. Breathe out. And sink in. 1, 2. The key is to get that little relaxation at the end so you kind of slump into the stretch. The second one we're going to go over is just a simple version of a thread the needle or a yoga stretch, okay? And there's a few different versions of this as well. We're only going to do one portion of the thread the needle. So we're going to put our one hand here. We're going to stretch to this side. We're going to put our hand on the foam roller, and we're going to gently let it glide out like this. Try and keep this elbow a little straighter if you can so it locks in and really make sure all the motion is occurring from the thoracic. All the way out to here. And look and turn, because as you turn your neck, it facilitates, it helps with that rotation. So all the way over like that. Pause, 1, 2, and then come back. All the way out. Look to the side that you're stretching, you're rolling towards. 1, 2. Okay? You can also do it on the other side. Same idea. Hand like so. This one can bend, but try and keep this elbow a little straighter. So all the way over. Reach over, look in the direction. 1, 2, and then roll back. All the way over. 1, 2, and back. Okay? And then the last one. So this one we're going to use a foam roll a little differently. We're going to bring our leg up. We're going to have the lower leg right here in line with our trunk or a little bit back. This one, we want to have it in line with our waistline here, like so. We want to keep a little pressure in here. We don't want this leg to come up or move at all. We're going to put both our hands together and simply reach, just like the other one, turn and look towards the stretch all the way over. 1, 2, then all the way back to the side like that. All the way over. 1, 2, and you can see like I want to lift this leg up. Keep that leg down. We're trying to get all the motion above this segment, so we're not stretching the hips. We're kind of getting everything up through here. Look and turn. 1, 2, and back. You can do the same thing the opposite way. Remember the lower leg in line or slightly back. Opposite leg like so. together like this, all the way back. 1, 2. You can see I'm coming up a little tighter on this side, all the way over, and then back. So maybe you don't go quite as far. Lock it down, all the way up, maybe right to here. Hold. 1, 2, and back around. All right. I hope this helped you out. If you liked it, you can subscribe to our channel to get some more videos. Hit the like button or place a comment, all right? Have a great day, and here's to more mobility.